One of the settings that I'm going to play around with is I want to add in a bit of an outline around these letters here. So we're going to double click on this layer and we're going to turn on stroke. Boom, there it is right there. And what I've done is I've added about 3 pixels. Let me just play around with this and kind of show you what we're doing here. You can see that. You can see that my fill color is white. Of course, I could change that to black or whatever it is that I like. You can play around with your opacity, whatever you want in order to help bring this out a bit more. And of course, you can play around with all these different settings here, patterns, outer glows, and all sorts of stuff. Whatever you'd like to do in order to bring this out as best you can. Now I'm going to actually move everything up here a little bit. Grab everything, move it on up a little, and even decrease it a bit just to give me a bit more size. And then I'm also going to grab my text here that I just created after I wait for the computer. There we go. And pulling this upwards